day, Junior, dude. Come on.
Ok, bon, je vais te parler en français puisque tu me casses les couilles à parler en anglais avec ton
No, you
accent
have
de
to
merde.
speak French to me to actually get your point across.
Ah, you don't
Oh, mate,
understand.
that's sad,
Sorry.
dude. That's sad, dude.
You want me to speak English?
One along.
Nice.
Let's go, full team.
Give him the ace, please.
Nothing A long.
He was around Fountain. I don't know where he went.
Nice job, dude. 7
Nice,
8.
guys.
Nice, bro.
Yeah, I
Good
think
job,
so.
you got killed by the same.
Sindssygt, mand. Efter jeg har spillet så meget bots her for tiden, min aim tracking er blevet fucking god. Når jeg sprayer. Det kan nogle gange godt føles anderledes at aim track med pistoler for eksempel, fordi der er ikke recoil på. Men når du skal aim track med recoil, det er noget helt andet.
Let's go B.
One long. One long. 3A.
Move your asses, bitch!
He's long, Wes. Behind you. What the fuck?